Welcome, welcome, welcome to another spooky month. Sit down, be scared, and let's enjoy the blood and gore that will come this month. So you better prepare, or otherwise I come to get you! Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Underdog Eats, and I watched The Birds 2, Land's End. This was a standalone sequel, so I don't really know what that means. it just said it was a standalone. It's from 1994, so it's 31 years since Alfred Hitchcock's The Birds, which was alright. Go watch my review for that one. But let's also just start with this one, fuck it. But before we start, don't forget to leave a like, recommend a good bird-related horror movie, download in the comment section, subscribe to the channel, and come join Discord because I stream movies every single day, like tomorrow. Tomorrow we're gonna stream. Well, if people come join Discord, we're gonna stream a Siberian film. Yeah. But let's start first with The Birds 2, Land's End. We see a lot of birds, well, seagulls, standing. Then we see more seagulls, but then from a different shot of them. Then we see a dead seagull in the water. And then we see a boat. We see a lot of things in the beginning. A lot of things. Mostly birds. And we see a boat. It's not a big, massive boat. It's a small fishing boat. Two rods at the end, in the water, and there's one guy on board. The guy grabs a net and scoops out said dead seagull. The birds that were standing around start to fly. And one by one, not all of them, but one by one, maybe a couple, maybe a handful, landed on his boat. Also, on dandy, until a crow pecked at his eye. I'm gonna leave it at that, because if you want to know what's gonna happen next, you have to watch the movie yourself. I don't have a lot to say about this movie. This movie, it's not that I would say from wow. And it's definitely not better than Alfred Hitchcock's The Birds. It was okay. The movie was okay. So I give the 3 out of 5. Just okay. But I'm gonna leave it at that. Yes, it was very short, But hey. And like I said at the beginning, tomorrow we're gonna watch a Siberian film. That movie is, I've heard a lot about the movie, mostly through YouTube videos. I read a bit about it. I'm really nervous to watch the movie, actually. I was also a bit nervous to watch The Human Centipede because, you hear so much. Well, if you hear about it, you mostly hear that it's disgusting and all. And maybe some say disturbing. Well, it it's less bad than that people paint the picture of. But that's maybe because I'm also a bit numb to horror. Not all horror, but I'm a bit numb to you know some. Um, so yeah, if you find The Exorcist already scary, The Exorcist or Poltergeist, if you find that scary, yes, I get it that you find the Human Centipede fucking disturbing and scary. Because if that's not even scary, come on, Exorcist, that's definitely not scary at all. Poltergeist, please. They're good movies though, but scary? Hell no. We've seen worse movies. Oh, I have. Maybe you too. But yeah, tomorrow we're gonna watch a Siberian film. I'm very nervous to watch movie because necrophilia, other disturbing shit, and it's famous that it's banned, and I've watched a video recently from 5 movies that are more disturbing than Terrifier 3 or something, I think, or about Siberian film a bit, but the guy said that this film is disturbing and it's not something that you would recommend, but I don't know actually what you said anymore, but basically that. But we're gonna watch it anyway because I am curious, and you know what they say, curiousness kills the cat, and it probably will kill this cat because. So if you want to see that movie, subscribe to the channel, leave likes, come join Discord, come join the Discord server. Link is down below in the comment section and in the description. But I will stream the movie in the morning. The morning here in the Netherlands, I don't know how late it is in America, in the West and in the East. But it's definitely early. Well, here it's early. Not 6 o'clock, but maybe around 8, around 9 o'clock in the morning. So come join Discord, subscribe to the channel, recommend a good bird related horror movie down below in the comment section, and you'll see you guys tomorrow. First, to see if I lost weight or if I gained weight, because last time I gained 2 kilos in a week. Well, I knew why, but it goes on anyway. But we'll see if I lost some bit or I gain again. And after that, in separate video obviously, you get a review for a Siberian film, and we're gonna talk a bit about it and see how high I will give it. I'll see you guys tomorrow.